Oh my god, 我的天啊!
What did you say, Elizabeth?
我 means I, and 的 is a propositional word, and 天 is sky. Oh my sky, oh my god.
Why would you say that?
Because today's word is deity or 神 in Mandarin. But to understand the word better, I'm going to let Yi-Rui explain.
Today's word is deity or 神 in Mandarin. It means God, but more so any god, spirits, supernatural beings, thus deity. Its roots are from the pictograms altar, 是, and lightning, 生. Shen is a sacred word. It is also used to describe the inner self. For example, 精神 can be translated as your energy. 神经, on the other hand, are your nerves.
In Taiwan, there is a high level of religious freedom. There are many gods, deities, and supernatural entities in Taiwan that are all very specific with what they can grant or take away from the people. So people tend to burn incense and pray to the deities of their choice, the ones that could help them in their time of need and bring prosperity, good luck, and good fortune to their lives.
And that's the word 神. Thank you for watching. I'm Elizabeth. See you next time on What's the Word?